Hey, Gary Berger here at Berger Law, sitting here with my friend Roy McMullen. How are you, Roy?
Doing good.
Why are you here today?
Uh, Collecting a check that's well deserved. So over the accident that I had back in June of 2020.
About a year and a month, right?
Yeah.
About a year and a month since then.
Yeah.
Were you happy with what Berger Law did for you?
Oh yeah, I'm very happy.
Yeah.
Very happy.
You had an interesting case because your case, they denied your case forever.
Right.
So tell us, it's 2 a.m. You're on Highway 4 in Illinois. You're driving. What'd you encounter?
Well, I went around a curve, and all of a sudden, just there was vehicles in the middle of the road, and I just hit them.
There was another accident.
Yeah,
There had been another accident that you encountered.
Yeah, there was nothing I could do. It was nobody flagging anything down or anything. Just right there.
And you came and hired us. We made a claim for you after you were done. You were pretty significantly injured.
Yeah, I was hurting real bad.
Yeah. And we got you some medical care. I know different doctors you went to, and you got some on your own too. We introduced you to some folks, but then what happened was we were trying to settle your case. They would zero offer forever in your case. Why?
They were trying to say it was my fault
Well, you got a ticket.
at one time. Yeah, because of the ticket. Yeah.
Yeah, so you got a traffic ticket. You didn't know about it because you were taken by ambulance, right?
Right.
And so, and then we found out later that you had this traffic ticket.
Right.
So what did we do?
You took and went in and got it removed from.
Exactly.
And I appreciated that 100%.
Yeah.
Because that meant a lot to me that's gone, because I never got a ticket from the patrol officer. They never said anything about it. I never got anything in the mail.
It wasn't in the police report.
Yeah, it wasn't even in the police report that they even written me a ticket. So I mean, it was just.
And they had
It was
you
there.
It was there, but then no one had told you. They didn't send it to you. They didn't. It's not in the police report. You had no idea. We went. We found it. We went on our appearance. We went to court on it. We got it set aside because they had you convicted because you didn't know about it. You didn't show up.
Exactly.
It's a year old or whatnot. And so the judge understood. The judge was great. He understood exactly what was going on and saw that it was bogus. And he did the right thing. And we're glad to clear your record on that too. Happy to do it as part of our fee. And then
I was very happy with that. That made me very happy to get that taken removed.
And we didn't even understand. We kept saying, why are they fighting this so hard? But they fought it so hard for so long. Anyway, we took care of that. That paved the way. We persuaded the adjuster, and we got you we got the policy limits. We got you everything. We got you a check for $20 grand ish, right? I don't want to talk about all your business, but right in your pocket, right?
Right.
Did you know you don't have to pay taxes on that?
From what I've understood from the stuff that you've sent me in the past, yes.
Okay, I try to educate people on that, and that's why we're doing this video. Thanks for doing this video.
Yeah, no problem.
What is something we may have already discussed it. What's something you learned through doing this with the Berger Law Firm that you didn't know before this crash? A lesson that you carry with you.
Well, one thing is make sure that you have the right lawyer that's going to cover your butt, because you guys have done a very good job, and I've no complaints about Berger Law.
Would you hire us again?
Oh yeah, in a heartbeat. And then you've educated as far as the different things of knowing, like the taxes, not having to pay taxes on that. There's a lot of information you gave me over the past year that I skimmed through that made a lot of sense, about different compensations and different things that you always tried to explain. And it helped. It helped me understand a little more about what was going on in my case and everything. So.
Well, that's great. It's funny you mentioned that, and because that's what we try to do. I always try to say, by the time my client is making the decision to settle the case, I want them to be an educated, savvy, making it a knowing decision, because you got to decide. You know,
Right.
I mean, here we got all the money there was, but that's because people get in these wrecks. They don't know all this stuff, the insurance law, what you can get, blah blah blah. There's so many things going on. That we try to have. We have these emails we send out to try to educate our clients, so that by the time we're ready to settle it, you feel like you're making a intelligent decision rather than just guessing. You know.
Right. And that's a good thing. I mean, I really appreciated that, and I mean, I didn't have any problem with the decision of going and doing what we did, but
Because by the time you did, you knew
right,
about it.
yeah, exactly. And I mean, everybody was great. Everybody in your firm's just, they've been awesome. They've worked with me. They've talked with me. You know, this is the first time I've been up here in the office, but
Well, we have a little bit of a thing called a pandemic.
right, exactly. But I mean, I appreciate everything you guys have done, and it's been phenomenal. It's probably the best lawyer experience I've had in a long time. So, because I've had other lawyers that I've had a lawsuit going on another case here a while back, and I'm still trying to get it settled.
Boy, you know, it's
So-
you know, I hear you, man. Sometimes these cases take long, but we try to move so quick. And you were, and honestly, I don't remember. Maybe did I meet you before?
No,
I didn't think I did. And you walked in, but I just talked to you over the phone over the last year, here and there. And I know Genevieve Fikes from our office did a lot of work with you and to help you too. She's a great lawyer with us. But you're just such a, I don't know, the energy I got from you over the phone is such a kind, straight shooter kind of guy. So it's really an honor for me to represent you and help you.
well, 60 years old, you don't have time just to BS around the books. You know, you either you get out there and do what you got to do, or don't do it at all. I mean, I do dialysis. I still get out, try to make a couple bucks here and there, so I can pay bills. I mean,
You make the world a better place.
I can't. My girlfriend will tell you, I can't sit still. I got to keep going and doing something, and that's where I do my side works and stuff, where it's not, you know.
My family jokes with me about that too. I always got to be doing something. Ask Casey; she's holding the phone, or anybody. I always got to be doing something. I'm moving from thing to thing to thing, so I do it with my family. I make everybody keep on hopping. You know,
Yeah,
life's short, right?
Yeah, life's too short.
I mean, how much time you got to spend around on this earth, and you got to get this stuff done.
Even if I had 900 years, I'd still say it's too short.
I know. Well, you got some years with you, and I hope you remain a friend. And you know, we'll always answer any. I say this to all my clients and for strangers too. We'll always answer your questions. We'll always help you. We'll always be here to answer the phone for you, or answer the emails, or teach you about stuff.
Well, I appreciate it, and I mean, you guys, like I said, you guys have done excellent work. I have no complaints, and I'd recommend you to anybody.
Great.
Anybody. I mean, if they come to me and ask if I know a good lawyer, I'll send them your way, no matter what it is.
Well, you got
I
a
mean,
water
you
bottle.
decide,
We'll give you a mask. We'll give you all our stuff.
Oh, I got plenty of masks. Water bottle's my main thing.
All right. Well,
I
you
like
got
that,
one now.
so
Hey, thanks a lot for doing this video, Roy. Appreciate it. Thank you,
I
sir.
appreciate it.
All right. Thanks, everybody.